Good morning, students. My name is Poonam Daswani. I hope you all are good and your family is doing great. Students, today we will start with Value Education Notes. Value Education Notes Lesson 2. Students, before starting Lesson 2, I would like to give you an activity of Lesson 1. So, first you will be writing the question of the lesson 1 which was left in the last lecture. So you have to write continue. Don't write it on new page. Write it on continue in the first chapter, that is lesson 1. Let's be truthful. Write question 5. Paste 2 pictures of being honest and 2 pictures of being dishonest. Lesson 1 question 5. Paste 2 pictures of being honest and 2 pictures of being dishonest, and you have to leave the space and you have to paste the images, 2 images of the activity of being honest, and 2 pictures you have to paste where there is being dishonesty, means the people are dishonest, and in the first and the 2 pictures of being honest and 2 pictures of being dishonest. Now we start with the notes of lesson 2. So first you will open the index page, Value Education Notes Lesson 2, that is Simple Living. First you will open index page. You will put today's date, that is 36/20 Simple Living. 36/20 Simple Living. Now we move on to the chapter of notes writing. So I want you all to open the new page of the notebook, and I also want you all to open the textbook of lesson 2. Textbook of VED lesson 2 Simple Living. First open new page in your notebook, that is VED and Wiley notebook. Open a new page and put today's date, that is 36/20. Lesson 2 Simple Living. Question 1, fill in the blanks. Write question 1, fill in the blanks. Students, there are no blanks and true or false in the chapter. We are giving the notes, so you will not be finding fill in the blanks and true or false in the chapter. You have to write the notes. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Number 1 blank is Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. ISHWAR Ishwar Chandra. CHANDRA Chandra. Vidyasagar VIDYASAGAR Vidyasagar. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar was a very dash man. He was a very wise man. Write WISE wise man and underline it. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar was a very wise man. Now we move on to second blank. Vidyasagar lived a dash life. Vidyasagar lived a dash life. Which life he used to live? He used to live a simple life. So you will write the blank SIMPLE. Simple life. Vidyasagar lived a simple life. Full stop. Put a full stop at the end of every sentence. Now we move on to the third blank. This feast, F-E-A-S-T, feast. This feast is for dash people. This feast is for which people? Which kind of people? Rich people. Rich. R-I-C-H. Underline the blank. This feast is for rich people. Number 4. The watchman, W-A-T-C-H-M-A-N, watchman, saluted, S-A-L-U-T-E-D, saluted, underline saluted, him and let him in. The watchman saluted him and let him in. Now we move on to the next blank. He offered, O-F-F-E-R-E-D. He offered the dash to his clothes. What did he offer to his clothes? He offered food. He offered food to his clothes. Underline food. He offered the food to his clothes. Full stop. Students, you have to write the notes when I dictate. You have to write the notes with pencil, and your notes should be very neat and tidy. There should not be any mistake when you write the notes. So copy the notes very carefully and write. Your handwriting should be very neat when you write. You have to write in pencil. Don't use the pen. Now we move on to the next question, that is question 2. Right? Question 2. State whether true or false. S-T-A-T-E, state, whether, W-H-E-T-H-E-R, whether. This weather and the weather, climatic weather, the spellings are different. This weather is different and that weather is different, but this pronunciation is same and the spellings are different. So write carefully the spellings. State whether true or false. Now we move on to first true or false. Write number 1. A rich man invited, I-N-V-I-T-E-D, invited Vidyasagar, V-I-D-Y-A-S-A-G-A-R, Vidyasagar to a feast. A rich man invited Vidyasagar to a feast. Is it right? He was invited by a rich man? Yes, Vidyasagar was invited by a rich man to a feast. The answer is true. Right? True. Now we move on to number 2. The watchman thought, the watchman, W-A-T-C-H-M-A-N, watchman thought, T-H-O-U-G-H-T, thought, Vidyasagar, V-I-D-Y-A-S-A-G-R. The watchman thought Vidyasagar was a poor man. Is it right? Vidyasagar was poor man? No, he was a rich man. So the answer is false. Number 2, write false. Now we move on to the next true or false. That is number 3. Vidyasagar joined the other guests for dinner. Vidyasagar, Vidyasagar, Vidyasagar joined, Joined, joined the other guests, Guests, guests for dinner, Dinner. Vidyasagar joined the other guests for dinner, right? Is it correct? Yes, it is true. Vidyasagar joined other guests for dinner. True. The answer is true. Now we move on to next. True or false? Vidyasagar offered food to his clothes. Vidyasagar offered food to his clothes. Is it correct? Yes, the answer is true. Vidyasagar offered food to his clothes. True. Now we move on to the third question, that is, let's think and answer. Let's think and answer. Number 1 question. How did Vidyasagar help people? How did Vidyasagar, Vidyasagar help people? Question mark. Put a question mark. The answer is Vidyasagar helped people. Vidyasagar helped, helped people by building up schools. Vidyasagar helped people by building up schools for both. Vidyasagar helped people by building up schools for both boys and girls in India. Building up schools for both boys and girls in India. Full stop. Now we move on to next question. Why did the watchman watchman not allow Vidyasagar? Why did the watchman not allow Vidyasagar to enter the house the first time? Question mark. Students, you can copy the question from the textbook or you can copy it from the notes here. Why did the watchman not allow Vidyasagar to enter the house the first time? Question mark. Write second answer. Answer 2. The watchman did not allow Vidyasagar to enter the house the first time because. Till here you can copy from the question. The watchman did not allow Vidyasagar to enter the house the first time because he went to the feast he went to the feast dressed, D-R-E-S-S-E-D, dressed in a simple dhoti. He went to the feast dressed in a simple dhoti, D-H-O-T-I, comma, kurta, K-U-R-T-A, kurta, and shawl, S-H-A-W-L, shawl, full stop. Because he went to the feast dressed in a simple dhoti, kurta and shawl, full stop. The watchman, W-A-T-C-H-M-A-N, watchman, at a gate, the watchman at a gate thought, T-H-O-U-G-H-T, thought he was a poor man. The watchman at a gate thought he was a poor man, full stop. Now we move on to the next. Now we move on to the next question. What lesson did Vidyasagar teach the people at the feast? What lesson did Vidyasagar teach the people at the feast? Question mark. Answer 3. Vidyasagar taught, T-A-U-G-H-T, taught. When you write the answer, it becomes in the past tense. In the question it is teach, so in the answer it will come taught, that is past tense. So you'll write in the past tense. The answer you'll write in the past tense. Vidyasagar taught lesson of simplicity, S-I-M-P-L-I-C-I-T-Y. Vidyasagar taught lesson of simplicity and being simple to people at the feast. Vidyasagar taught lesson of simplicity and being simple to people at the feast. The lesson of simplicity and being simple to the people at the feast. Now we move on to question number 4. Do you think Vidyasagar did the right thing? Question mark. Do you think Vidyasagar did the right thing? Question mark. The answer is yes. Yes, Vidyasagar did the right thing. Vidyasagar did the right thing by teaching people lesson of simplicity. by teaching people lesson of simplicity. Full stop. Now we move on to question number 4. Let's talk about these. Let's talk about these. Students, you can copy the question from the textbook or you can write it from the notes here. The number 1 question is, Sonu is always smartly, smartly, smartly dressed, 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 full stop. Sonu is always smartly dressed, full stop. He wears costly clothes. He wears costly clothes and shining shoes, shining, and shining shoes, full stop. But B will be capital because it is starting after the full stop. But he fights with everyone in his class. But he fights with everyone in his class, full stop. He is rude, rude. He is rude to younger children, younger, younger children, children, children.